So this new drain cleaner is fantastic. It has a real-time pressure display, multifunctional design. It has multiple adaptions for different sinks, tubs, toilets. I'll show you in a minute the real-time pressure display. Put this on. Now it's a multifunctional design, has adaptations for the toilet. Simply screw this on and put it in the toilet and it unclogs it. Has things for the sink. You put this in the sink. I really like it. It's durable and safe, and I could clear drains like a boss.